Hi everyone, coming from home today, as most of you are this week. It's kind of extraordinary times for us right now, and so I thought I'd take advantage of this a little bit to maybe help you out the best I can. First, I want to thank you all for watching the snippets that come into your mailbox a couple times a week and are on my Facebook page, and sometimes I get them on Twitter, and you share them and send me comments, and I really super appreciate that. But some of the things that you've said to me as we've been in workshops together or via social media is you've given me ideas of things to talk a little bit longer about, and some of you have even said, gosh, I wish you'd give me just a little bit more on what you were talking about. So I thought, is this opportunity? You know, we always look at circumstances when things happen is they can be really difficult, and so can we look at them as opportunities sometimes? And so that's what I'm trying to do here to help you all out. So I thought, hey, this is a golden time for me to be able to expand on some of these small snippets that you get with some of the ideas that you've given me. And so what I'm going to start doing in as early as next week is putting out a series of videos that are a little bit longer and focus on some of those very things that I'd like to expand on. And what I'm going to do for the first series is I'm going to do a 3-part on self-regulation or dysregulation. And what I'm thinking right now is that we are all experiencing a lot of that. But when you do get back to your schools, you're going to want to focus on a few things. One of them is going to be whole school regulation, and how do we get those kids who are now very dysregulated as they return to the start of school, whenever that may be, back on track. And that's going to be a whole school approach. The second is going to be a classroom approach. You don't always have control over how your whole school operates, but what could you do in your classroom to help all of these dysregulated children that are coming back to you. And the third is going to be, what are some ideas that I could expand on to help with those 2 to 5% of the population, those kids who are very dysregulated on a regular basis due to lots of causal factors around environment, trauma, whatever it might be. So I'm going to start that 3-part series, and I really appreciate your feedback on it as these come out, and we will send them out to you. I'll put them on my Facebook page, which you know is Changing the Worst Classroom Behavior. And as you always know, I don't classify everything as the worst, but you know what I believe is it is the worst when it's happening to you. And I just want to validate that for you. And so whether some of us have a higher tolerance for certain behaviors or not, I do really appreciate the fact that when it's happening to you, it can feel like the worst. And so I will also put these out on my Twitter page at PollyBath, and we will get them into your mailbox and get you watching some of these and see if we can get a little bit longer information out. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.